EDSA stock at some point in this regular session of today, the 12th of October 2023, ran up a huge gain of around 196%. It closed at $2.31 yesterday, the 11th, and at some point in this regular session, it spiked and reached 7.31. That is roughly 196%. So it's cooling off from those heights, those sort of levels, and currently at $4.944, right at 5.09 now, quite volatile. And we haven't really found any news behind this rally. This is what's going on on the order book for the stock. You can see only a few shares, relatively few shares, 2.4 million shares are behind this huge rally. And as you can imagine, when the gain was 196%, it was actually way less than that. So this is where the aggression plays out. This is where they largely come from. You can see the orders are going through the market price right now. So the market participants who are here want it this way, and then I want to believe this is the bid side. These guys are bidding to sell at higher prices. You can see that $6.43. They want to sell at higher prices. Why not? And the stock is not at those sort of levels. So the ones that are close by are going through. Then these guys want to. Well, it doesn't always mean I would say it doesn't always mean that this is what's going on. Indeed, some other guys may want to buy, but I mean, you wouldn't expect that will be the case. But on this side of the order book, indeed there will be the bids, the bids and asks, because as you can imagine, some people want to get in at 3.78. Some may have already placed their orders before now at 3.78, but the chance of that still being the case may not be very high. So I want to see that. I mean, the majority of the orders that are going through here, or you can see here, or just progressing here, or just going through, or active here, are those who want to buy at a lower price and hope that they will sell at a higher price. So not a lot of shares are moving here, not a lot so far, but in as much as that the volatility, the liquidity has already taken place and has pushed the stock, the price to where it is right now. So if we return to the charts, we can see what's going on here. It's been moving sideways for some minutes now, and not a huge amount of volatility is projected. More of a consolidation based on this 1 minute chart. So it has projections all the way to $6.4. It has actually traded way higher than that. So if we come to the 3 minute chart, what can we see? Okay, let's look at the 5 minute chart. It's a lot more. The interval is a lot better. We can see it's more weakness. That is, this weakness is what it's projecting. So it has a projection of $13.83 on this 5 minute chart. We have 10.36. We have 9.08. We have 8.14. We have just above where its peak of this session, 7.5. Then going all the way down, it has 1.21. It hasn't actually. It may have done so before now. So let's look at 1 day chart and see whether there's anything there. On the 1 day chart, we have a projection. 10-day moving average is projected to continue to progress, even maybe with or without this rally. Continue to project and reach the peak of $6.2. These are closing prices come Thursday the 19th, and then cool off on Friday the 20th. And then it's there's that's also where that peak is. There's also a moving average of $6.2. So there are downward projections all the way down to 2.7. There's one above that, 3.3, 3.6. 4.0. And let's look at the 1 week chart and see what we have. On the 1 week chart, it's a sideways movement, and then upper projection of way ambitious prices of 95.86, 64.1, and we have 52.19. So they're really ambitious on the projections are quite ambitious on this 1 week chart for EDSA stock. So I'll just stick with this, and I'll just say, let's see, maybe we might continue to extend till Thursday, the 19th of October. So, but if it closes at 6.28, well, that is actually below where the peak of this session alone. Okay, so I'll see what you make of EDSA, and I'll definitely continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.